Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. In less than 24 hours, the Reggae Boys will face Panama in a do-or-die clash in Panama City to stay in contention to qualify for the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Simon Preston has our preview.
And that is to beat Panama in a World Cup qualifier. In fact, Jamaica has not scored a goal against Panama in World Cup qualifying since 2004. But interim coach Paul Hall is not worried about the history, and he was encouraged by what he saw in Thursday's 2-1 loss to Mexico at home.
The results went for us in Costa Rica winning their game, so it leaves it open for us. Again, if we can show the spirit and desire and determination and resilience that we showed, we put ourselves in a good position to play against Panama and to go to their place. I think they're without their fans as well, so they will be hopefully handicapped by that, and we can have some confidence going there and getting the result.
Former Liverpool player and now Blackpool player Kevin Stewart making his debut against Panama.
Well, like I said, we've got to manage him and manage his minutes, and hopefully we can get him into the game and into the games, because he's a good player and he helps us to progress up the pitch. We've got to take a look at him because he only came in 2 days ago. So we want to get him on the pitch, and me and my staff will have our deliberations, and then we'll look at the starting lineup and where he will feature in the game.
Kickoff is at 6:05 p.m. Jamaica time on Sunday. Panama holds the head-to-head record over Jamaica with 9 wins, 7 draws and 3 losses. The last time both teams met in September at the office, Panama won 3-0. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.